Hello SAT math people! Today we're going to work with exponents. Okay, let's do some math. Which of the following is equal to b to the minus 1/2 for all values of b for which the expression is defined? Okay, so the first fact that we're going to look at is x to the negative n, where n is any real number, is equal to 1 over x to the positive n. So we're going to take the original equation, which is b to the minus 1/2, and make that 1 over b to the positive 1/2. Now the next fact we're going to use is that x to the 1 over n is equal to the nth root of x. So b to the 1 over b to the 1/2 is 1 over the square root of b. The 2 is this on the square root. You don't write the number 2. It's because it's implied. So now that doesn't look like any of the answers, so we need to rationalize the denominator, meaning we can't have any kind of root in the denominator. So we're going to multiply by a form of 1, the number 1, which is to take the denominator and multiply it by the square root of b, but also the numerator by the square root of b. So that's another form of 1. And that's going to be the square root of b over the square root of b times the square root of b. So on the left in the yellow, I wrote the square root of b times the square root of b. How do we multiply those two together? Well, you can put it back into the fraction, and you can say that's b to the 1/2 times b to the 1/2. And when you multiply two bases and that are the same with exponents, you add the exponents. So 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1. So the denominator is going to be b. So the answer is square root of b over b. And the answer is b.